Amanda currently stepped on a piece of glass, so we're gonna fix it because it's gushing blood right now. Let's take a look. Well, there's some blood on the ground.
I didn't know it was on the ground.
There's some right there. Okay.
Wipe it up.
I don't want to fucking wipe that. Hold on. Turn the water off.
Shit.
Okay.
Okay. Hi. My foot's cut open. Not a good thing.
Okay, you take the camera.
Okay. So let's look at my foot cut open. Let's see the blood. Don't look at my nasty foot.
Let's hope I don't get
Oh
AIDS.
my god, it's like gushing. It's sick.
Amanda, you need to go to the doctor.
No, I don't. It's fine. It's totally fine.
There's blood everywhere. I'm not.
Look at it. It looks like a murder scene. CSI in our bathroom. CSI in our bathroom. It's still filming. Oh, it's still recording. In our bathroom. I'm sweating. CSI in our bathroom. CSI.
Now let's get a good look at this, because this is fucking disgusting.
Look at my foot. It's
Okay, let's see the underside. I need to see the underside of it.
Oh, that's not cute. Ew. Don't look at my nasty foot.
Don't look at my nasty foot.
I'm so gross. Look at my face. It's sweating.
You actually look really good right now.
Actually, I look like someone whose foot just got cut open. And that's not a good thing. Look at this. Is not cute. This is not cute. Chloe, this is not cute.
Kim, shut the fuck up because my name's not Chloe.
Courtney. Oh my god, why did you not tell me my bra was hanging out this whole time?
Wasn't even looking at your boobs.
Oh my god.
Okay, it's just I can't see it. Could you just do something with that? Dad,
You're on video.
you're on video.
We were dancing.
Dad, Amanda's foot's cut open.
It really is.
Dad, no, really.
I'm
Oh,
pretty sure I just wrote the top. Okay.
look at her.
Lucy's in here. Hi, Liz.
Hey, Lucy. You're on camera.
Oh my god, she's stepping on my broken
Here.
foot. Oh my god.
Look how cute she is. Oh my god.
Okay,
She's so cute.
what if we just chop my foot off?
Luz, come back.
Oh my god, this is bad luck. Maybe the psychic is going to predict it.
Okay, shut up. Okay. Seriously, do something with that.
I don't know what to do.
I don't even know what to do with this camera right now.
Look at my foot. Dr. Jones, calling Dr. Jones. What's wrong? I just hit it in like the spot. Oh my god, I just hit